Hi there, and welcome back. This is Kevin Smith with First Team Real Estate here in Southern California, and today we'll be talking about veterans loans and how to get a house if you were a veteran. But before we talk about that topic, I'd like to point out two links here on the website. The first is if you're looking to buy a home, search on the Search to Homes link, and if you're looking to sell a home, search on the Home Evaluation link. Now back to our topic. Welcome, and I wanted to introduce a really good friend and business partner of mine, Barry Cravoy. He's with Finance of America, and today we're going to be discussing three different topics when it deals with veterans and their loans. First, we're going to talk about what are some of the myths that you have that you get on a daily basis, some of the myths that people may think that they know about VA loans.
Well, I think probably the number one myth is that a veteran can only use his VA loan once, when in fact can use it unlimited amount of times. It just needs to be paid off after you either sell it or you pay it off physically, and then you can use it over again.
Okay. In the same state, you can use it wherever.
You can use it wherever.
So you just pay off the loan and then you can reuse it as long as you've served.
Exactly.
Okay.
The second myth is probably that the VA loan is hard to do or it's hard to get. It's actually one of the easiest loans to do if you qualify. If you're a veteran and you've earned a certificate of eligibility, it has the most liberal credit limits. It has the most liberal debt to income ratio, and there's no mortgage insurance. So it's really a great loan.
Okay. And then typically, what are the interest rates for a VA loan? Are they higher, lower?
Well, it depends. It varies from company to company, but VA rates typically tend to be less than the traditional mortgage rate. At Finance of America, one of the reasons why I went to work there is that we have some of the lowest rates in the industry, at least from our competitors that I know of. And it's probably about an eighth to a quarter lower than what the traditional conventional loan is.
That's really good.
Yeah, it's really good.
Okay. And now as far as coming up with down payments and closing costs.
No down payment with a VA loan up to $625,500 in LA and Orange County, but nationwide it's about $417,000. It's 100% financing, and even the closing costs can be offset sometimes by the lender. We can get the client some of the closing costs covered, and also sometimes you can write it into the offer. Having a great agent like yourself, you can go in there and ask the seller to pay for maybe a couple $1,000s.
Now, how would that benefit an agent who's taking on a veteran? Now, I know myths that say that people don't want to accept an offer because it's a VA loan.
Right. Well, that shouldn't be it that way. In fact, I'm the vice president of VA Rep, as you well know. Right. You're one of our worker bees who's just done a phenomenal job helping us. I appreciate that. And our goal is to educate realtors about what a great loan it is. Some realtors think that it takes longer than 30 days, so they're reluctant to take it, or the borrower, the borrower may have a rough time coming up with closing costs. All of that can be addressed. Not an issue to get them done in less than 30 days, at least for our company.
Okay. Very good information.
Yeah.
All right, so we've discussed some of the myths that are out there, some of the different loan-to-value debt ratios that are out there, interest rates, and then also what your maximum loan that you can get for Southern California and other areas across the country. So if you want more information, feel free to give me a call, of course, or if you want to get a hold of Barry, just look at the link below and we'll be happy to connect you. Thank you for being here, Barry.
Thanks for having me, Kevin. I appreciate it. Thank you.
All right, we'll see you all later. Thanks so much. Have a great day.